Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a soothing under eye gel. So under eye products are something that I get a lot of requests for, and I kind of haven't done one until now, but here we are, and I think it's the perfect addition to our soothing series. As a gel, the bulk of this eye gel is watery things. So we have some chamomile, hydrosol, some cucumber distillate, and some 1% low molecular weight hyaluronic acid stock. And so all of these things will really help soothe and moisturize the under eye area. I've also included some moisturizing panthenol and some caffeine. So caffeine helps increase circulation and sort of depuff. So it's a great thing for an under eye product. Our gelling agent is something I haven't used before on the blog, but I have been working with for a couple years now, is Aristoflex AVC. So it's a very cool ingredient. We're using it at just 1%, and at 1% it both gels the whole thing, and it helps emulsify the tiny amount of dimethicone 350 I've included. And I have included dimethicone 350 because I personally find that gels can get quite tacky. And so the dimethicone really helps counter that. If you don't want to use the dimethicone, or if you're, especially if you're not very particular about tackiness in your skincare products, please go down to the description box below and click through to find this post on my blog, where you'll find a lot more information about this recipe, including a big long list of suggested substitutions. Because nothing in this recipe needs to be heated, it's super fast. It's a totally cold processed recipe. If, like me, you do keep your hydrosols in the fridge, you might kind of want to let those come to room temperature a bit, just because it can take the panthenol and the caffeine a little while to dissolve if those liquids are cold, but that's about the only kind of waiting you might have to do. This comes together crazy easy and is just gorgeous. As a note, Aristoflex is very sensitive to electrolytes, so you will notice the aloe vera juice that has been present in much of this series is not here, and same with sodium lactate. Both of those, if included, will take our gel from this lovely, silky, fluffy gel to kind of an aerated snot consistency. So that's why those things aren't there, and that's a thing to keep in mind if you are looking at swapping things around. But come on, let's get started. This is a really simple cold processed formula, so we're just going to weigh everything into here and mix, and that's pretty much that. So we're going to need 2 grams cucumber hydrosol, 0.1 grams calendula extract, 0.2 grams Propanediol 1,3, 4 grams of a 1% low molecular weight hyaluronic acid stock, 4 grams chamomile hydrosol, 0.4 grams dimethicone 350, 0.06 grams caffeine powder, 0.2 grams panthenol, 8.74 grams distilled water, and 0.1 grams liquid germall plus. Now we're going to blend that all together. The dimethicone's not going to incorporate just yet, but that's fine. Once all the powders have dissolved, we're going to add the Aristoflex. So this is our emulsifying and our gelling agent. So we're going to need 0.2 grams of Aristoflex AVC. Once you've got that in, we're going to blend that as well. Once it has set up, you can see it takes on a really gorgeous gel consistency, and it's very lightweight with gorgeous slip, so when you get it on the skin, a little bit goes a very long way, and then it just positively vanishes into the skin with just absolutely stunning skin feel. So to package this up, I'm going to pop it in a syringe, and we'll use that to fill a small tube. And there you go, you just made a soothing eye gel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please go down to the description box below this video and click through to read this recipe on my blog. There's a lot more information on the blog about the ingredients, the procedure, substitutions, where to buy things, how to scale the recipe, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So if you have any questions, chances are really good they're answered on the blog. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.